Your friends are moving ahead, better grades, better habits, more consistency, and better discipline. And you're watching it happen. And don't lie, it bothers you more than you admit. Because it's not about them, it's about you, and you knowing that you could have been there too. Let's stop pretending. They are not more talented, they are not more smart, and they are not just more lucky. And no, your situation is not that different. The painful thing is that they do what you constantly try to avoid, and that's the major difference between you and them. Think about your last 7 days and be honest. How many times did you say, just one more video? I don't have motivation today. Or I'm not feeling like that today, I'll start tomorrow. Now imagine your friend, the one who's doing better. While you were saying that, they started it anyway. And the biggest thing about this is that nobody sees this part. They see the result only at the last. You say you want to improve, पर तुम्हारे actions कुछ और ही कह रहे होते हैं. You say you want discipline, पर तुम अपने हर एक decision में बस comfort को ही choose कर रहे होते हो. Now here's the part that should make you angry, not at them but at yourself. क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें करना क्या है, बस तुम उसे करते नहीं हो. और वो जो gap है between what you know and what you should do is the reason why your friends are doing a lot better than you. And if you don't fix that gap now, it keeps expanding. वो gap इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा कि वो तुम्हें निगल लेगा. You don't have a motivation problem. You are just addicted to comfort. तुम्हारा दिमाग सस्ते एंटरटेनमेंट, ज़ीरो एफर्ट रिवॉर्ड्स और प्लेजर्स के पीछे इतनी बुरी तरीके से फंस चुका है कि वो दिमाग बस उसी को ढूंढता रहता है. And if you do something which actually requires your effort, your brain makes it very hard for you. So you run. तुम उससे literally मुंह फेर के भाग जाते हो. And you don't even notice it anymore because it has been usual. You are used to it. You use your phone for 5 minutes and suddenly it turns into an hour. You sit to study because you have exams approaching, but your mind constantly searches for a way to escape. Meanwhile, your friend, they still feel bored. They still feel as if they don't want to study, but they have trained their brain differently. They don't listen to that feeling and they start it anyway. And that's the difference why you can never improve when they keep on improving. अब ये सोचो, कुछ साल बाद तुम अपने वर्जन को वापस मुड़ के देख रहे हो. तुम्हारे पास टाइम था, तुम्हारे पास एनर्जी भी बहुत थी और तुम्हारे पास पोटेंशियल भी बहुत ज़्यादा थी. पर तुमने क्या किया? You wasted it. तुमने उसको गवा दिया. और वो regret. It does not hit all at once. It comes gradually. हर एक चांस तो तुमने मिस कर दिया था. हर एक delayed start. और वो I'll do it tomorrow वाला assurance. Tomorrow does not come. It just repeats. Now listen carefully. This is where most people expect motivation. But I'm not giving you that. I'm giving you something much better. Control. You don't need to change your whole life. You just need to control and change what you do daily. Since I'm here to give you the control, I present you the most simple and practical system that will 100% work. Win your first hour of the day. No phone, no scrolling, and no distractions. Just one hard thing for a morning. If you lose your morning, you lose the entire day. Make boredom your training. Stop escaping it. Focus, work, and build something while you are focusing on yourself. Focus even when it feels uncomfortable, because that's where your growth actually starts. Reduce distractions. Don't eliminate. Don't go too extreme. Because one day, if you delete all of your social media apps, after some days, you will start to hear your accounts crying for your attention. And you will go back to downloading and using them. And again, you lost your self control, you lost your discipline, you lose yourself, your motivation, everything in the process, and you get stuck in that phase. So don't go to extreme, just cut it down. Reduce your scrolling time, reduce that random videos, reduce your distractions. Don't eliminate, just reduce. Even small changes, if they are done daily, can bring significant changes to your outcome. अगर तुम अपने दोस्तों के लेवल के एफर्ट को मैच नहीं कर सकते तो खुद को उनके साथ कंपेयर भी करना बंद करो. If you are not willing to even match the level of efforts of your friends, then don't compare yourself with them. Because it's not unfair that their life is improving and yours stays the same. This was chosen by you. That was completely earned by you. But here's the truth that most people ignore. You can certainly catch up. हाँ, वो एक दिन में नहीं होगा, शायद एक हफ्ते में भी ना हो और एक महीने में भी ना हो. पर अगर तुमने अभी स्टार्ट किया तो तुम कुछ महीनों के बाद खुद को नहीं पहचान पाओगे. सो स्टार्ट एग्जीक्यूटिंग. अगर तुमने आज ही से स्टार्ट किया तो शायद तुम खुद को एक हफ्ते में पूरी तरीके से बदल ना पाओ, पर कुछ ना कुछ तुम्हारे पोर्शंस, तुम्हारे पार्ट ज़रूर इम्प्रूव होने लगेंगे. और जब वो इम्प्रूव होते जाएंगे तब at a time after certain period you will realize the change happening to you. और बस तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स तुमसे आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, तुम भी तुम्हारे बाकी के दोस्तों से बहुत आगे निकल चुके होगे. So don't leave this video and go back to the same habits, because then this was just an entertainment. And your life does not change from watching. It changes when you start to act. So start executing whatever you've learned from today. If this hit you, stay, because this is just the beginning.